Forget the greasy cardboard boxes and astronomical delivery fees. Imagine the satisfaction of crafting restaurant-quality pizzas in your backyard, on a camping trip, or even at the beach. The EDOSTORY Pizza Oven isn't just an appliance. It's a portal to culinary adventures and wood-fired or gas-powered, if that's your preference, pizza perfection. This portable powerhouse isn't just about delicious pizzas. It's about creating memories and transforming any gathering into a pizza party for the ages. So, ditch the delivery apps and dust off your inner pizzaiolo. The EDOSTORY Pizza Oven is ready to revolutionize your outdoor cooking experience. Let's delve deeper into this feature-rich and budget-friendly oven to see if it's the perfect match for your pizza-making aspirations. One of the most appealing aspects of the EDOSTORY Pizza Oven is its versatility when it comes to fuel sources. This oven caters to diverse preferences by offering compatibility with both wood and gas burners. For those who crave the smoky goodness of wood-fired pizzas, wood pellets provide a convenient and flavorful option. If you prioritize quick and easy cooking, the gas burner ensures a hassle-free pizza-making experience. For those seeking an alternative, the oven can even accommodate charcoal for a clean and efficient burn. This multi-fuel functionality allows you to tailor your cooking experience to your preferences, no matter the setting. The EDOSTORY Pizza Oven prioritizes portability. Featuring folding legs and a removable chimney, it can be effortlessly transported to various locations. Imagine whipping up delicious pizzas in your backyard, crafting culinary masterpieces on a camping trip, or even adding a touch of pizza-making fun to a beach gathering. The portability of this oven opens doors to countless culinary adventures beyond the confines of your kitchen. Additionally, the availability of optional accessories like wood pellet shovels and carrying bags further enhances its portability and user-friendliness. The EDOSTORY Pizza Oven isn't just about portability, it's built to last. Constructed with high-quality stainless steel, this oven promises longevity and durability, ensuring you can enjoy countless pizza-making sessions for years to come. The double-insulated dome plays a crucial role in heat retention and distribution, contributing to consistent cooking results. A built-in thermometer allows you to monitor heat levels precisely, eliminating guesswork and ensuring perfectly cooked pizzas every time. Whether you're a seasoned pizzaiolo or a complete beginner, the user-friendly design of the EDOSTORY Pizza Oven makes it accessible for all experience levels. Efficiency is another key feature of the EDOSTORY Pizza Oven. This oven boasts a rapid heating time, reaching up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit 400 C within 15-20 minutes with sufficient fuel. This allows you to start cooking pizzas quickly, ideal for satisfying impatient pizza cravings. Beyond speed, the EDOSTORY Pizza Oven shines in its versatility. While pizza is its specialty, it can also be used to cook steaks, fish, and delicious vegetables. This multifunctionality makes it a valuable addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal, allowing you to prepare various dishes beyond just pizzas. The EDOSTORY Pizza Oven offers an additional advantage in the form of its optional accessory bundle. For a reasonable price, you can acquire all the essential tools needed for crafting delicious pizzas. This bundle includes oven gloves, a pizza cutter, a pizza stone, a pizza peel, an oven brush, a wood tray, and a gas burner. Having all these accessories readily available eliminates the need for separate purchases, allowing you to start creating pizzas right away. While the EDOSTORY Pizza Oven offers a compelling set of features, there are a few aspects to consider before making a purchase. Compared to some high-end pizza ovens, the EDOSTORY might have a slightly less robust build quality. However, its stainless steel construction ensures sufficient durability for most users. Another factor to consider is the heating time. While it reaches a decent temperature within 15-20 minutes, some high-end ovens might boast even faster heating capabilities. Overall, the EDOSTORY Pizza Oven is a strong contender for anyone seeking a budget-friendly and versatile way to enjoy delicious pizzas outdoors. Its multi-fuel functionality, portability, user-friendly design, and optional accessory bundle make it a compelling option for both casual pizza makers and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. While it might not be the most high-end option on the market, the EDOSTORY Pizza Oven delivers exceptional value for its price point. If you're looking for a portable and feature-rich pizza oven that won't break the bank, then the EDOSTORY Pizza Oven is worth considering. With its ability to cook pizzas in under 90 seconds and its versatility in handling other dishes, it can become the centerpiece of countless outdoor culinary adventures, transforming any gathering into a delicious pizza party. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.